What's up, guys? Thank you for clicking on my video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to flush your 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 300 EX. We're gonna flush the coolant out of the bike so we can go ahead and add some new coolant. So you're gonna go ahead and need an 8mm socket. And with that, you'll go ahead and remove the bolt that I was just pointing at. And from there, I'm gonna go ahead and let everything drain out of the bike, and then I will resume the video after everything is drained out and show you what to do next. Once again, it's the bottom bolt in this clip that I was pointing at. Put a little bit of water in the radiator. I haven't sealed it on the bottom just yet. Just trying to push a little bit through. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in once it's done draining and then fill it up all the way. Run the bike for like 30 seconds. And do it again. Fill it with water. So right here, seen in the video, I went ahead and put the plug bolt back in so I can continue filling up the bike with more water to do another flush. Fill it up with some water. You want to fill it up slow so you don't get air bubbles. But realistically, we're just gonna flush it back out, but it's good practice, I guess. Oh. See all the bubbles coming out? Can you see it? Mm-hmm. All those bubbles are air bubbles inside. And see how much it went down? It's because that's how much was in there. It's always good to squeeze these hoses to help it go. I don't think you could hear it, but it like chugged all the way into there. Because there was still some air bubbles, even though how slow we even filled it. Pretty full. Only reason I'm starting it with it on, with the cap off, to try to help make sure all the air bubbles are out. That's what you'll definitely do when you go to put the coolant in. Then you let it run. I overdid it a little bit right there to make sure that there was no coolant left on the rim and stuff like that. Just to make sure. The reservoir. So close to the roof, bro. Go ahead and plug it from the bottom.
What? Shake, hey, shake, come on. Shake, man. What's up, shake. What's up?
Oh shit. I'm fucking retarded. I should have took this off immediately.
Bro, no fly! Don't fly high! Look. You think that's not...
Okay. I want to fill this up a little bit so I can make sure it's cleaned out real good.
No, wait, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, go, hold on. Look,
That down
do
there
this.
like
This is
that.
easier way. Look, this is easier way.
While that does that,
And then when it's lined up,
let's go ahead and come over here. Let's drain this one more time. This is the last time I do it. This is the
that was hot, but it went on slippery.
third time? Fourth time?
Third.
Well, I did it twice without you, I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure.
so this is the third time.
Twice without you would be 4 times.
Oh, okay. JJ, go put on some underwear.
This is just all water at this point. That's why I'm not tripping. Just all water. I'm more or less doing this at this point, catching water so it doesn't fucking get all over. But make all the dirt mud out front here. So, I'll put it on.
Yeah.
This is what I recommend year round. I just haven't done it for this bike, so. But year round, you can use this in the summer and the winter. Get it from your local motorcycle shop. You can get it possibly even at AutoZone or O'Reilly's maybe. I'm not too sure though. I don't go to those places for it.
Right.
Just shaking my leg to make sure everything's coming out of the bottom one right now.
I know. Put it back. Daddy needs that for the thing. Give me.
Check on the good so there's no waves. Make sure it's all leaked out over here real quick. Looks okay. There's still a little bit coming out when I shake it, so let's do this. Engine ice is already pre-diluted, so you don't have to add water. So even if there is just a bit, like you think you're worried about a little bit of water being in there, it's not going to bother it. Because the engine ice makes sure it doesn't freeze. But you don't need to add water to dilute it because it's already pre-diluted. So make sure it's on there good. Don't ever want to overdo it and mess with the threads and stuff like that. Deal with all this water and it ain't freeze. Yeah, this is when it really matters about going slow, because you really don't want to have air bubbles in your shit. But we'll do it right. This is when I would like to have a funnel, but the only funnel I have has had oil go through it and stuff like that, so I'm not going to use that. So we'll just take our time. real slow. Readjust, I don't fucking spill it. I'm starting to see the coolant now. So I'm gonna pump the tube right here. If you can see what I'm doing right here. Just like pumping it a little bit. Trying to make sure that it goes all the way down. Make sure that all the air bubbles are released. You want to fill it all the way up. If you come over here, take a look. Look in there and you'll see bubbles coming out every once in a while. You want to take your time with this and make sure all those air bubbles are coming out. None of those air bubbles in there. What you do is let the bike let it run for 30 seconds or so, you know, just so it can get into the engine, as well as make sure it gets sucked into the bike, so if you need to add more, it'll be full. Pumping it. I see no air bubbles, so I think we're good there. And that's pretty topped off and full, so what I'm gonna do now, this is the reservoir for the overflow. People say it's good to put some in here. So, good. Look at the little one. Look at the little one.
Oh, yeah, it's past it. Hi, baby.
I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up to the top of the L so I can keep an eye on it. The only reason I'm stopping there is because I'm gonna go ride the bike for a little while, and then fucking, if I need more, I got some more here. Put the caps on. We are basically solid. Good and tight down.
I have it.
Okay, good. I was like, no way.
JJ had it, so.
Oh my goodness. The joys of having children. I totally should have used the bucket and not listened to my wife.
Why?
Because it went everywhere. But maybe not.